Hey guys, it's me, Sarah, and I'm here to tell you or show you guys how to achieve a natural top knot. Easy steps, 1, 2, 3. But as you can see, my hair was like 4 days old type ish. It was like a week old, so that's why it looks like that. So I am using this continuous spray bottle. It's from Walmart. I think it was like $4, $4.99. You better get yourself one because I used to be using the dollar store brand water spray bottles. But yeah, I had to get an upgrade. Yeah. So next we're going to be using the Extreme Wetline Gel. I use a whole different other gel, but this gel works perfectly fine as well. And this was the gel that I typically use, but it's expensive, so I don't want to run out of the product. So then we're going to go in with my Red by Kiss brush. Make sure you get a hard brush. Like, it can't be no soft brush. You want that baby to lay. Like, you want your hair to lay down. Okay? And by the way, I am 2 years natural. I'm about to be 3 years soon. But, yeah, I just need to tell you guys that. You see how silky smooth and flat that is? Yep. We're achieving the goal. Since my hair was already, like, kind of had product in it, that's why I didn't put too much. But when I'm doing on fresh hair, I'll do another video for y'all. So next you're going to get a headband. I typically get the headbands from the dollar store, and then you're going to get a hair tie. So for this step, you're going to look crazy because I sure do every time I do it. You're going to make sure your hair is all the way up. And you don't wrap it around all the way. Just put it on top. Yeah, you're gonna look like a troll, but you're gonna put it on top, and then you're gonna just let your hair stay like that and get the headband, and baby, you're gonna pull as hard as you can. Well, not as hard as you can, you want to get a headache, but you get it. You get the drift. You're just gonna pull, and look, sleekness on 100. And yes, I have extra product residue. It's okay, we're just gonna clean that up. And yeah. Let me not ramble on too much, but I'm going to just let y'all enjoy the music while you watch me do my hair.
Now you talk so much, it drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off that, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down, baby. What is this for this girl? What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that. I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes by some free cars.
I know this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to tell us how this shit goes? It's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my ego. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. Who said it's gonna even last? Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. Wait, you know I won't do that.
I'm sorry I said that.
Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. See the pattern, can you think a nigga nigga blowing time. Here's your blood. What we see ain't what it seems for. Feels, girl, what is love?
What's that?
What is love? Girl, what we see ain't what it seems for. Feels, girl, what is love?
Next thing I'm doing is pulling out a couple of strands. I don't know if this really do anything, but it just makes, I don't know if it like give it that oomph or whatever, but I just do it just to like, yeah, I don't know. Like clearly you see my hair is like very non-defined. I don't know why I even try, but yeah, I hope it gives it that oomph. Last but not least, what I do is tease my hair. I guess that's what you would call it. I'm just pulling my hair forward to make it a little bit bigger. You want to achieve like, you don't want I know how it feels when your hair looks small. So I try to make it as big as possible, baby, with these puffs. But, yeah, you're just going to tease to your liking. Make sure everything looks right. I know I look like I'm balding in the edges, but I'm trying my best, okay? If you like this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!